To recognize Women's Equality Day, Congressman Bobby Scott met with health providers on reproductive health after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade.
Kaicey Baylor explains the needs of women in Hampton Roads.
It's a conversation Congressman Bobby Scott says is much needed.
This is Women's Equity Day, and healthcare is one of those areas where there is great inequity. And the Dobbs decision pointed out one of the problems.
Friday morning, Congressman Scott heard from health providers at the Southeastern Virginia Health System on the concerns surrounding women's health. Some issues pointed out include access to health insurance and medical care.
One of the barriers to medical care is the fact that transportation and child care may be challenges, and family and medical leave is not paid family and medical leave.
He says another challenge is access to information. Health leaders say they saw a lot of confused patients when the Supreme Court decision on Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization overturned the constitutional right to abortion.
It was a decision that was made that gave that power to the state. So each state specifically now has the opportunity to make a decision about what that looks like for them.
Scott says right now that decision doesn't impact Virginia.
Because we don't have those kinds of restrictions, but it does enable the state to impose restrictions if the state legislature and the governor want to have those restrictions.
Though Congressman Scott says one of his main concerns right now is to make access to health care equitable for all. In Newport News, I'm Kaicey Baylor for 13 News Now.
Congressman Scott says visits like this help him bring Hampton Roads issues to Washington, D.C., and ultimately to push for legislation to enact change.